So you have 5 questions in this exercise. Let us discuss the first question, in which you have given quadrilateral PQRS. PQ is 6, PS 5, angle and 3 angles are given. Now look at the notebook how to do this question. Okay student, this is the first question of your exercise 6.c. I have made a rough diagram for you and you all have to make the rough diagram before doing the fair one. Okay, first of all you have given PQ 6 centimeter, so draw the 6 centimeter base. Okay, with the scale, this is PQ 6 centimeter. Then you have angle P is a 60 degree. So take a compass. Now your line is in this side. 0 कहाँ है, ध्यान से देखो, 0 इज इनर, तो आपने इनर एंगल देखना है, बाहर वाले एंगल नहीं देखने, क्योंकि इस लाइन के ऊपर 0 अंदर है, तो 60 डिग्री कहाँ पे आ रहा है, ये रहा, तो 60 पे मार्क पॉइंट करो और ज्वाइन द, सॉरी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते हम बिकॉज वी डोंट, ओके यस, ज्वाइन दिस पॉइंट बिकॉज वी हैव टू मेक द 60 डिग्री. This mark it as 60 degree. Now you have given that PS is 5 centimeter. Cut the PS 5 centimeter and you get the point S. So you can also use the compass with the center P and cut the point S. Okay, this is 5 centimeter from P. Mark it 5 centimeter. Now you have given angle Q, that is given 100 centimeter. So take a D again and make 100 degree in this line. Now see, your line is on left side. मैंने पॉइंट Q पे रखा ना, मार्कर पॉइंटर पे रखा, तो जब जो लाइन है दैट इज ऑन लेफ्ट साइड. सो लेफ्ट साइड पे 0 किधर है, बाहर. ओके, सो यू विल सी नाउ आउटर एंगल. यहाँ पे 100 कहाँ है, ये रहा, पॉइंट मार्क कर लो. ओके, नाउ ये थोड़ी ऊपर जाएगी, इसको एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा, तो यू हैव टू रेज योर लेट. सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस यू हैव नॉट गिवन QR, so what you will do, but you have an angle S. Okay, that is given 110. So make 110 at point S. Make a pointer on S, लाइन के ऊपर लाइन. अब 0 किधर है, इस साइड. 0 तो दोनों की तरफ है, बट लाइन की तरफ 0 किधर है, इनर साइड. तो यू विल लुक एट द इनर एंगल. इनर एंगल पे 110 इज देयर, ये रहा. तो मार्क पॉइंट करके ज्वाइन द S एंड दैट पॉइंट. ये ज्वाइन करोगे, जहां पे कट करेगा दैट इज योर पॉइंट R. Okay, mark the angle 110 here 100 degree. So this is your required figure. Okay बच्चे, let us look at the third question, in which you have given a PQRS quadrilateral and I have mentioned the things PQ, QR and whatever the angles are given I have mentioned. Okay, now look at this. Angle P is not given. It is necessary when you are making any quadrilateral, you must have given the base angle. Base angle is not given, so you have to find this angle. You know the sum of all 4 angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree, है ना. So angle P you don't know, but Q is 130, R is 60, S is also 60. So to make the angle P, add up all the values. 60 plus 60 120, 120 plus 130 250. ये उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा. ओके, सो you will get the answer 110. Now you have an angle P 110. Now it is same as question number 1. You can make and try it yourself. Okay बच्चे. So बच्चे, I have explained the third question. Rest of the question you have to do it yourself. Now let us move towards the exercise 6D. Question number, construct a quadrilateral NEAR in which NE is 5.1. तो आप एन ई को नीचे रखोगे, ओके, नहीं सॉरी, क्योंकि एन ई ए आर, ओके, चाहे आप जैसे मर्जी कर लो, मैंने ऐसे रखा है इसको एन ई ए आर, ओके, बस रखना इसको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज या क्लॉकवाइज है प्रॉपरली। नाउ एन इज 5.1, दिस इज 5, दिस इज 6, एंगल इज 90 डिग्री एंड एंगल इज 135। नाउ लेट्स see how to make this. This is a rough diagram. Now let's make the fair sketch. Okay, first of all you have a base 6, you have a base 6, so make the base 6 centimeter with the scale. Then this is your RA 6 centimeter. Now you have an angle A is 90 degree. Take a compass or D, you can make with the D also. Make the 90 degree at point A. So mark the 90 degree and join with the point. Now you have given AE is 5 centimeter. So take a compass and open it 5 centimeter from the scale, and with the center A mark 5 centimeter, and this is your E point. Now you have given that angle E is 135. So from E make angle 135 with the help of your D. Okay, पॉइंट के ऊपर पॉइंट, लाइन के ऊपर लाइन. नाउ लाइन हमारी नीचे है ना, तो जीरो हम कहाँ देखेंगे? बाहर की तरफ से. सो फ्रॉम द जीरो आउटसाइड यू हैव एंगल 135 इज this here. So you have to join like this. Okay, थोड़ी ऊपर जा रही है, उसको रेज कर लेना. Now EN is given 5.1 EN. Okay, so with the help of scale and take a arc of 5.1 and take a center E and mark the 5.1 arc. Now at this point, पहले उसको R पॉइंट को रेज कर देते हैं. So at this point, this is your EN and this is 5.1. Now join R and N. Okay, or NR. Now your next part is measure the NR with scale. So measure it, 0 पे रख के ये आ गई है बच्चे आपकी 9 सेंटीमीटर. So this is your required figure and this is the required answer. So mention here also, and also mention the angles. This is 135, this is 90 degree, and that's it. Okay बच्चे. So you have to write down the steps of each and every question which I have explained earlier also. Now you have other questions, you can do it yourself because these are same. Okay, so thank you everyone.